Monopole. Monopole may refer to magnetic monopole or Dirac monopole, a hypothetical particle that may be loosely described as a magnet with only one pole. Monopole mathematics, a connection over a principal bundle G with a section the Higgs field of the associated adjoint bundle. Monopole, the first term in a multipole expansion. Monopole wine, an appellation owned by only one winery. Monopole album, a 2011 album by White Town. Monopole antenna, a radio antenna that replaces half of a dipole antenna with a ground plane at right angles to the remaining half. Monopole, a tubular self-supporting telecommunications mast. The Monopole, a bar in Plattsburgh, NY. Établissements Monopole, a French auto parts manufacturer, racing car builder and racing team.